channel, and today we have our 6th snack crate box. And we're just gonna get into it, guys. Let's see who we have today.
We have Spain.
We got Spain, y'all. There it is. Spain in the house.
And here's what's inside.
Do it every time. Alright. Alright. So
We have Spain with Universal Yums, and it looks like you got some of the same snacks.
yeah, it does, huh? Alright, let's get into it. We're gonna start with, let's see, Paquitos.
Paquitos.
These bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer with a soft gummy center, bursting with cherry flavor. Paquitos.
Paquitos.
This is
Oh, there they are. You go first, because I don't want to try it first.
When we start doing that?
Because I don't want to.
What's that look like, guys?
It's hard.
Soft and chewy. It tastes like a, what's in here?
I don't know.
No, I don't remember.
I know it, but I don't know it.
Yeah.
It's one of them rainbow things.
Rainbow things. Alright, guys. Next we have
El Valle Juvio Frito.
These unique flavored savory chips have an uncanny resemblance to an actual fried egg. You might have just found a perfect breakfast substitute. Where do we have these at, Brooklyn?
Universal Yum Spain.
Universal Yum Spain box. And now we have snack crates with these funny tasting egg chips. I don't know who came up with this, but this is a bad idea to make chips taste like an egg. You must really love eggs. Alright, you show the people? Alright, take one. Alright. Tastes like a rotten egg, still, even at snack crates.
It tastes like a bald egg.
Ball or ball?
Bald.
Ball. Let's go. Ball egg chips. All right, next we have Vhubb&Brook. Layers of crunchy waffles sandwiched together with creamy nugget, then dipped in rich chocolate to make an unmistakable flavor. Vhubb&Brook. This is what it look like.
Vhubb&Brook. Let's see here. I see it. Wait a minute, that ain't it. I see it.
Right.
Okay, let's get into this. And I'll get it wrong.
All good.
I'm probably gonna be nasty.
It's gonna taste like a wafer.
I don't like wafers. We've been having too much wafers. I guess every state got wafers. You like a small piece.
It's like a wafer.
It's alright.
Every country make wafers the same way. Chocolate wafer. All right, next Ruffle Jamon, a natural favorite in Spain. These wave potato chips feature the salty and savory flavor of the rivered Spanish ham.
Well, they busted open.
Oh, they open already?
Yeah.
It helps you out.
Run this upside down.
Okay, sounds good. Let's peep inside.
That's the busted doing the delivery.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Alright, give me her. Okay. They stale from being open. I don't like it.
Yeah, okay. I can't tell.
A little stale, guys, from I guess being busted open in the box. What does it taste like, Brooke? Let's say it.
Bacon, meat, salmon, salmon, I guess.
It tastes like fish.
No, it's meat.
Yeah, that's like ham, Spanish ham. It do taste like a little hint of ham, y'all.
That's good.
So let's go to the next one. It's a Espazo Electrico. These little star-shaped crunchy corn snacks may be small, but they pack a spicy, cheesy flavoring that is shockingly delicious. Let's see if Brooke can open it up the right way.
Why you gotta do me like
What?
that?
What I do to you?
Always calling me out.
What? You talk about me too? And you
No,
always-
no,
Come on.
and she ate it.
Thank you. There you go. Let's see. What's more?
No. It's like cheese puffs.
I'm gonna say Cheetos.
Cheese puffs. And cheese balls.
Flavors like that. You saying cheese puffs? I'm saying they're tough, kind of like cheese, like
Cheese? Oh, never mind.
Cheetos. For me, not for you. You say cheese puffs, I say Cheetos.
Cheese puffs ain't that cheese puffs. Okay.
You gonna close your hands so they don't fall?
Dang, I ain't gonna fall.
Okay.
Wait, why you give me so many?
So they can fall. I like those.
Okay.
All right. Next we have Yolita's corn cereals. Delicious biscuits made with crunchy cereal and bits of blueberry, semi-coated in smooth white chocolate. All right.
I can.
You want me to open it?
Since you such an expert, tell me how it's done. See you, man.
Throw it up. G's mess up too.
What?
Ooh, these all over the place, y'all. So, there you go.
I'm gonna get the one that ain't so messed up.
Yeah.
Yep. Is this a sandwich?
Mm.
I don't like it.
It tastes like, I always can't describe something from here, but
Oreos.
something with cream filling.
Oreos.
Yeah. A different type of Oreo though. I'm gonna say Oreos taste a little better than this. All right. All right, next, Fenner Roller. With claims to the longest candy belt thrown, this fruity roll-up will take your taste buds on a tart trip with its intense sour flavor.
I already know I compared it to Fruit Loops.
All right, let's see.
No, not Fruit Loops.
Are you gonna open it?
I don't know what it's called. I know what it looks like, but it's a. I can't open it. It's called
Oh shoot.
a fruit roller.
I think you be setting me up to turn the bag up.
Oh, I don't.
Yep. Cause everyone you hand to me, they tear up.
I guess I got cursed.
I won't say that, but this is gonna be what's this like? Turn it out.
The fruit roller, the fruit roll-ups.
Little salt everywhere. Ugh.
Delicious. I didn't know.
You can have the whole thing.
Yay.
It is definitely like.
And also like them rainbow things.
Those Sour Patch. No, what's in there?
Rainbow Sour Patch.
I'm gonna get fruit roll-ups. These are fruit roll-ups.
Oh, move. Sorry.
Alright. And next we have Boccato lemon.
Ferracho lemon. Okay.
Tasty sugary cookie sandwich with a zesty lemon flavored cream. Eat them in one bite or split them apart. No matter how you do it, they are always delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go buy lemon cookies.
They're gonna be nasty. You can have them.
You can have one too.
I don't.
Get you one out and give it to me. What? I'm gonna do like we did back in the day. We do like crackers instead of cookies. But I used to always split my crackers up.
Oh no! I broke mine. And it broke again.
Feed her cracker to the floor. Take me back to when I was a kid. These are crackers. I'm not gonna say with the cheese, but it got the little lemony flavor in the middle.
It's alright.
Not bad. Next we have Ambrosa Tarma. Crispy, flaky wafers. Again, layered with cream and covered in a thick, luscious coating of white chocolate.
Nope. I can't open it.
Here we go with these white wafers. I'm tired of the wafers. I'm tired of them.
I never even liked the wafer.
Like,
I don't like wafers.
Alright.
I don't like wafers. They alright. Some of them okay.
Every time we get them, I'm like, oh, tired of wafers.
Every state got wafers. It's like the first thing that was made.
Look like guys. Piece, big or small. I'm just gonna bite.
I can't do.
Next, we have Soul Palameros, a crunchy puff pastry topped with a delicious sweet sugar glaze. Try one with your coffee and leche.
What look at that? Oh, I already seen it. That looks good. Look at that big, gorgeous looking pretzel. Yep. Sugar. That look nice. This will be the cookie of my dreams. Yeah. Went out half.
I want a small piece.
Yeah, bro.
I break my piece.
Okay. Oh, wait.
It's like a cinnamon roll. That's plain.
Goodness.
I don't know what a sweet sugary glaze. Maybe it's good with coffee, but I don't drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
That's a big pass for me.
That's a big good for me.
Right, while she eat the little nasty pastry. Fenner Rollers. Chewy strawberry gummies coated in sour sugar and filled with mild sweet cream throughout their brick-shaped center. What are you saying? She's speaking pastry. I don't know. Brick ladder rolls.
It's a ladrillo. Ladrillos.
Yeah. What she said. You ready? Or you gonna just keep eating the pastry?
Delicious pastry. Okay, I'm ready. Another sugary thing.
Mm-hmm. It look like you want?
It's hard. Ah!
All it tastes like. Laffy Taffy with. I like that. It's almost like a sour Laffy Taffy.
So it's like a hard candy.
Yeah. Laffy Taffy are kind of hard. All right. You ready for the next one? She's still eating the pastry, y'all.
It's good. Stop hating on my pastry.
Spicy mangoes, which we had with University on.
Yep. It was disgusting.
Spicy mangoes.
You can eat that.
Oh, you can too. You're not gonna leave me out here all alone.
Delicious.
Spicy mango smell.
What? Let me smell it.
Oh, you like the smell?
No, I don't like it. It's okay.
Right.
It smells like lemons.
Like
I'm gonna give you a
mangoes.
small one.
Ain't no small one.
I'm gonna make a small one.
Right,
Yeah, I'm just stretching it.
just eat it. So it's like a spicy gummy bear.
No.
Yep.
Burn.
Come on, spicy gummy candy. Come on, Spain. Anyway, that was the last snack from our Spain box. It's clear that Brooklyn liked the pastry because she's still eating it.
I was trying to get the hotness down the mouth.
So,
That
do
helped.
you have a favorite other than the pastry?
This,
What's that?
the meat chips and the egg chips.
Ooh, you like the egg? I thought you didn't like the egg chips last time.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden they good?
Mm-hmm.
She done changed her mind, guys, since University on.
And this,
What's the name of that?
the fruit roll up.
All right, I had favorite. This was that the name of it? Espazzo Electro, the little stars. I like them. And these little brick La Rollers. How you say it, Brooke?
Oh, not the rollers.
The who?
The rollers.
Ain't no G.
The rollers.
Whatever. These are good to me. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching us today.
Yeah, good.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can know when we have new videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.